On the back of the clock, remember we took the star wheel off. It's actually called an 8-point star. So we have to put that back on, and we have to put the wire that stops the fan and releases the fan on the musical movement. We got to put that back on. I will caution you that when you put the 8-wheel star back on, that you want to activate the strike side a few times. You want the high and low note levers to be down when it's stopped, and you also want the hammer not to be touching any of the teeth. I had a clock that the 8-wheel note was in the wrong position, so before the clock cuckooed, it would strike one time, and then it would do the cuckoo and the gongs at the same time. So I'm going to show you what it should look like when you're done. I'll activate the lever and then activate the strike side. See, when it stopped, the levers are in the down position, and the hammer is not touching the tooth. When these high and low note levers are attached to the bellows, they won't drop like they are. They will stay up a little bit. So next thing we need to do is install the chains on prior to putting this thing inside the clock.